How to save PowerPoint slides as image file. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can save your PowerPoint slides as image file. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your PowerPoint slides. After that, head towards the top right and click on this file option. Here, head towards save as. Now select your location where you want to save your slides as an image. For example, I will just save it on my desktop. Now once you land on this interface here, click on this save as type drop down, and from here you have to select JPEG file. After that, click on save. Here it's asking which slides do you want to export. If you want to export only the first slide, just click on just this one, or if you want to export all of these slides as image, then click on all slides. Now your slides will be saved as image in your selected destination. So click on OK. Now if you close this, and here I have saved all my slides as an image. If you open it up, there you can see all of these slides has been saved as an image. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.